Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning in. I'm going to be sharing with you 7 things that affect a home's appreciation, and actually whether or not it does appreciate or depreciate, okay? So number 1 is the land. Land, because they're not making it anymore, will absolutely affect a property's appreciation. And by the way, all these tips apply to whether it's a home or just a piece of land, okay, for the most part. Number 2, location. They say in real estate, location, location, location. And that couldn't be more true these days, especially when you have a strong location, you get a strong price to be offered on a home, and home appreciations go up. Number 3, population growth. So when you have an area that has an increase in birth rates, job opportunities, and improving demand in the area, okay, that can increase a home's appreciation. This can also happen if the property is located in an area that is just on the outskirts of a high demand area. Think suburbs, right? People want to work in the city. Those who don't want to live in the city move back to the outskirts, okay? Because it's typically less expensive. However, population growth like that, that can play a huge part in a home's appreciation. Number 4, real estate market. So what the real estate market is doing. Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? Are we experiencing high interest rates or lower interest rates? Whatever the real estate market is doing, that can actually affect how much you get for a home and the home's appreciation. As well as if you are looking to do a refinance and it is dependent upon a satisfactory appraisal. Number 5, infrastructure. So homes that are in an improved social and physical infrastructure create more demand. I kind of touched on that in number 3 under population growth. But basically, infrastructure plays a huge part in whether or not a home appreciates. Number 6, the appeal. And this could be the appeal of the land where it's located. It could be the appeal of the home, the size of the home, condition of the home, and the age of the home. In some areas, people want an older home because of the way the style is and the way the layout and how it's actually constructed, okay? Or they might want a brand new spanking home in an area that has a bunch of new homes going up. So the actual appeal of the home or property. And number 7, inflation. You've probably heard this word a lot lately, okay? But when inflation goes up, increases, you have home prices that increase as well. So you see increases at the grocery store. You see increases when you're buying a car. For the most part, that can vary, although people tend to actually step back and avoid trading in their old car. But anyway, I'm not a car expert. But inflation causes home prices to go up, which means appreciation goes up. So these are 7 things that affect a home's appreciation. If you have any that you feel I've missed, go ahead and share that in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching this episode, and please share this with a friend or family member who can find value in this episode or any other of my shows. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.